Welcome to Taradhalal's kitchen. I, nutritionist Mruga, today will prepare protein and fiber rich salad named bean and capsicum salad. In this salad, I have used kidney beans and chickpeas, which is why this recipe is called protein and fiber rich. This is the perfect recipe for those people who wish to lose weight. Before we begin our recipe, let's roast the capsicum. Pierce the capsicum with the help of the fork. Apply little oil on all the sides of the capsicum. And we'll roast the capsicum on an open flame till it turns black in color from all the sides. Here I have used red capsicum, but if you wish to, you can use any capsicums. You can see it's turning black in color. Now a capsicum is ready. We'll remove the skin. Just immerse it in cold water and slowly, with your help of your hand, remove its skin. Make sure you remove all the burnt part. And now you can see it's clean enough. And now we'll de-seed the capsicum and thinly slice them. And here our capsicums are ready. Now the final step, mixing all the ingredients together. So we'll add first soaked and boiled chickpeas, soaked and boiled rajma or kidney beans, onions, capsicums. This capsicum really gives a red color to the salad. Now we'll add coriander, lemon juice just to give that tangy flavor, green chilies, little chili powder and salt, and toss well. This salad is very useful when you are very hungry and you don't have that much patience to cook. Here you can see our salad is ready. Let's serve. And here our protein and fiber rich salad, bean and capsicum salad is ready. Serve chilled.
If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for that.